So now there is only one link needed to complete the shape. The shape will be completed. So for that, you will create a simple link here. You will select link the same name on this. We will write here the top of set. Top of set. I will then it is starting from the point number 4 to point number 5. So this point number 4 to point number 5, and that's apply AOR. We will use the super elevation. This portion is coming. So okay, now you can see this the shape. This rectangle is completed. Now we will draw this part portion. The left side gravel edge of the channel, and then step, as you can see here. So for that, let's first create that point. This portion is separate. We will shed our hedge is separate, so the volume of this portion will be separated. So we will create separate uh, sub-assembly for this one. So I will start from this point. This point here with the exactly where is the point number 4. So I will create a new point here, which is the list code it as a gravel, and I will copy this so you can use this gravel. This gravel reference point is point number 4. That's point number 4, and exactly 0 0. If you can see, if I zoom here, it's came exactly where is the location. Now for the next point, this one below point, I will create that point, which is almost this 10 cm and 1 meter. So below from here 1.1 cm. If I check the dimension from here, you can see here this I just put the dimension. So let's assume the dimension is so the point number 7 is reference to point number 6, and this xy, the code I will paste the same gravel. From here the x value is 1.1, the 0, sorry, it's will not move on the x-axis, it will move down side, so it means y, so minus 1.1. And if you can see here, let's go here. Then the next one, this wall thickness is toe wall. You can say anything to it according to your drawing. You will the name of it will be specified here. So the thickness is 10 cm. So let's take another point, which will reference to this point, which is point number 7, I think. Okay, and it will move on the left side of this point. The left side mean minus sign, minus 0.1. And now you can see it's moving here. Again from here it will go above where it will go up to here 1 meter above. So point number 8, I will paste this one. The codes we need because when you will export this subassembly to Civil 3D, the elevation from the code will be generated. So if you can see here what code I assigned to every point it's showing here, but I turn up, so this will be the shape will be clear to us. So let's create another new point. It is also the gravel, and its reference point in 8, and it will move above 1 meter. And now you can see, okay, from here it will go like this side. It will go here almost one, from here 1 meter. So let's take it 1 meter from this side. Another new point. This also gravel point, and reference in 9 point, and it will go on the left side, so -1 meter, 1 meter here it will go. Then the next point is this one, the slope area, 1:2 or anything. So for that, this height is 1.5, but this I need the distance, this length from this area to this area, so I will put, and I will do slope to that area. So let's take this, suppose this is 1 meter, let's take this 1.5 meter. So 1.5 meter above from here, the next point on the left side. Okay, this the point, and the point will be slope and delta x. So if you can see, this is going here, so the delta x is -1.5 meter. And now you can see it's over here. Now the slope is 1:2, so 1:2. It's mean 50%, almost 200%. Okay, so it will go like there. Okay, maybe I put the height more, so let's put this one -1 meter. Okay, our slope 2:1, 1.5 meter. You can see now this 2:1, so it's mean it's going like this one, 50%. So again, it's the point from this point is straight 1 meter. So I will create another point here. Another point created is on the left side, the point number 11, -1 meter. So let's take it. Okay, I just assuming this distance is this the x value, y value, because we will put the per target, the input output per meter, so we can control that thing from there. So that's for that no problem for this one. Again the same process for this one. As I put here, I will copy another point which is referencing the point number 12, and this delta x and slope and delta x, and here the side is -1, the length in, and this slope is 50%. So that's 50%. 50% is mean 2:1 is better. Okay. The next point is, as you can see here, is 1 2 step, and the third one is straight one. Yes, one step, then the same like similar step here. So I will create another point here, and for that point this is also gravel, and the x-axis is -1, and the y is 0. Now as you can see, Okay, for the code,